What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Troy? Quick demo video for you for your 89 Sabers Graflex. Got this done this morning. You sent this to me in, it was already in a New Hope configuration, so that's what I left it at. You've got a Proffie V2 setup in here. This is a 2-button setup, so your, let me turn the slide on. Your top switch right here, that's your activation, and then your slide tab, that's your auxiliary switch. You've got CC Sabers in here for your lit PCB, and I did put that PCB down far enough to where you will get plenty of shine through in your glass eye, even if you don't have a blade in, right? Because that's the point of these lit PCBs here. But to get to everything, you just want to flip up this clamp, turn your handle and slide it right out. Now I'm going to flip this back down and keep the clamp section on for a second, but this is your chassis. You got a removable battery set up, so your spring side's over here. Smuggler's Outpost is a 28 millimeter. This is the elite version, right? You got your Proffie board right there, and you have access to your micro USB, but you will need to pop your board up to get to your SD card. And I suggest you don't have to take it all the way out of the chassis. You can just pop it up diagonally like that, just enough to get to your SD card, do what you need to do, and then snap it back down into place. It is a very snug snap fit down into there, so you shouldn't have any problems with that ever coming loose on you. But at the same time, it's really not necessary to pop the entire board up. You can do everything you need to do by taking it up like this and then snapping it back down. Very easy to do. All right, so we'll throw a blade in this guy. This has the stock font package on it like you and I talked about, but I did add motion controls. So we'll need to flip this clamp back up so that we can put our handle on. Clip it down into place and then flip this down. Get your LEDs firing up. Nice shine through in your window. Auxiliary. Twist off. Or you could just hit activation. I hit it again to turn it off. Just like that. We'll throw a blade in this guy and fire it up. This is a flathead screw right here, and that is your blade retention. So you just want to make sure that that is all the way out of the blade chamber. This is a pretty snug fit, but it'll go. So I'm not even going to use your blade retention. I really don't need it. It's that tight of a fit. But everything's in there, right? Nice shine through when your blade is in. If you want to change colors, hold down aux and hit power. You'll hear that noise. Now you can just twist the saber. So if you want that dark blue, hit power again. And now we got a dark blue blade. Just like that. A smooth swing. Clash on clash.
Smooth Jedi. Smooth gray. Smooth fuzz.
Blade lock up. The way I currently have this set up is you have to hold down aux and hit the saber at the same time to get blade lock up. But I'm sure you'll you know, you'll do whatever you want to do with that. But we'll take the blade back out. Just kind of have to twist it out. And then go over taking the battery out, which is super easy to do. It's exactly how we put it in, right? We'll flip this clamp up, take this off, and then from the positive side over here by the speaker, you should be able to pop it out with your finger just like that. And that is basically your 89 Sabers Graflex. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, this guy will go out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks.